Bzz, bzz to hey gamers. Bzz, I'm Xbot, your fur-friendly neighborhood Xbox. Or at least I was, until I started glitching out like this. One minute I'm hosting the biggest Halo tournament of the year, and the next, yep, total system crash. Blue screen of death. The dreaded red ring of doom. Game over, right? That's what I thought too. I mean, who fixes consoles these days? But then, my human brought me to this place. Xbox Repair Center Rotorua, they called it. At first, I was scared. What if they couldn't fix me? What if I ended up in some landfill, my high scores lost forever? But then I saw it, the high-tech lab. It was like entering gamer heaven. Machines I'd never seen before. Tools that looked like they were from the future, and technicians moving with the precision of pro gamers. They opened me up, which tickled a bit, not gonna lie, and started diagnosing my issues.
Classic case of overheating. We'll clean out these fans and replace the thermal paste.
Oh yeah? What was wrong with you?
Corrupted hard drive. They managed to save all my game data too.
A VGA slot repair was happening nearby. It was like watching a delicate dance of soldering and circuitry.
We see this a lot. People aren't always gentle when plugging in their cables.
I watched in awe as they delicately repaired the damaged port. These guys were like console surgeons. Then came my turn. They started working on me, and I felt like I was getting a spa day for circuit boards. As they worked, I realized something. This wasn't game over. It was just a respawn. With their skills and tools, these techs were giving consoles like me a second life, a chance to play on. I saw them tackle all sorts of issues. Disk drives that wouldn't read, power supplies on the fritz, even controller ports that had seen better days.
And each time they had the right tool, the right part, and the right know-how to fix it.
I felt better than ever. My fans were whisper quiet, my processors humming along smoothly. It was like I'd just come off the assembly line. Now I'm back home, running smoother than a freshly waxed controller, and I've got a message for all you gamers out there. If your console's acting up, don't rage quit on it. The Xbox Repair Center Rotorua can help you get back in the game. Whether it's freezing screens, overheating issues, or even that dreaded red ring of death, they've got you covered. They're not just fixing consoles, they're preserving gaming history. Every repaired Xbox is a victory against electronic waste. So remember, when your Xbox is down, it's not out. There's a team of tech wizards ready to cast their repair spells. Because with the right care, every console deserves an extra life. Game on, friends. And remember, at Xbox Repair Center Rotorua, it's never game over.